Change management is a system of planning, analysis, and execution that attempts to minimize both short and long-term disruptions to make the transition as seamless as possible. Change management is a set of ideas, strategies, and skills that can be applied to engage change effectively. This may be applied first in planning for change. Examples: introducing a new case management system. Imagine a social work agency decides to implement a new case management system to improve client data tracking and service delivery. In planning for this change, they might provide a comprehensive training sessions for staff to familiarize them with the new system and address any concerns or questions. Second, in implementing change. Example, training and capacity building. Once a change initiative has been planned, providing thorough training and capacity building opportunities is important for successful implementation. So, example, if a social work agency is introducing a new therapeutic approach for working with clients, they would provide training sessions for staff to learn the principles and techniques of the approach. Training might also include role-playing, exercise, case studies, and ongoing supervision to help staff develop the skills necessary to implement the new approach effectively. The third one is in supporting continuous improvement following change. Supporting continuous improvement following change is essential for ensuring that desired outcomes are achieved and sustained over time. So here are the examples um, of strategies that can be employed of social work settings to facilitate ongoing improvement. Data analysis. Utilizing data analysis techniques enables organizations to identify trends, patterns, and areas to improvement based on quantitative and qualitative data. Examples include analyzing performance metrics such as outcomes, service utilization, rates, and staff productivity to assess the effectiveness of the change initiative.